get it to the point where your offer is accepted, then that's where it gets fun, right? Now you're kind of on the time crunch, you're on the play clock, right? And you've got to be quick here. You can't take your time putting everything together. A lot needs to get done in those 90 days or however many days you gave yourself. I kind of tried to break this down by priority in a sense, but I think you want to have your team together, your partners, what that deal sponsorship is going to look like. Some of the things you want to make sure you have covered is one, loan guarantor, right? Who's actually going to sign on the loan for you to get the debt, where you can get the equity from, and this could be more than one, right? Maybe you need 2 loan guarantors to fulfill the requirements. Maybe you need several of you that can raise equity. Risk capital, somebody's going to have to put up the deposit, somebody's going to have to put in the lender deposit. These are all funds that are at risk of losing. So if you don't have that, then you need to have a partner that does, right? And then you need somebody that's competent in managing the asset and the construction of it, and the one that's actually going to execute the business plan. Maybe you yourself cover one or all of these, but if not, then you got to make sure that you've got somebody that does, right?